Si estás en una reunión y no sabes qué decir, usa esto. Let's improve our English. Let's learn what we call openers. For example, from my perspective. From my perspective, this approach makes sense. What I would recommend. What I would recommend is starting a smaller test, or a smaller project, or a smaller pilot. We might want to consider adjusting the timeline. This helps you start speaking and sound more professional. You don't need to start from zero. You already have the beginning of the sentence and can build from there. More fluency, less translation. Hola, soy Teacher Wendy y estoy aquí para ayudarte a hablar con confianza y fluidez el inglés. Comenta Speak y te ayudo.